And no, I asked the reason why for that money in case the children someone will get sick. Look at this nonsense. You people paid 700 Ghana cedis just for hospital bill.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Envelope, we'll put it in the envelope. When the children come, then we'll give it to them. And no, I asked the reason why for that money in case the children someone will get sick. Look at this nonsense.
So in the 8 years that Akufo-Addo was president, though, didn't students get sick under his
And
term?
I asked in the 8 years of Akufo-Addo regime, I'm asking what at that time now why you people paid 700 Ghana cedis just for hospital bill, or are you trying to tell me say whether the children get sick or the children does not get sick, you are entitled to pay the 700 Ghana cedis? Yesterday somebody too was complaining about Prempeh College, the same issue.
And what was the response when you asked that question?
They said that is the conclusion they've made up to. So that is what they are trying, because the money maybe it will be up or it will be down, no matter what they are going to pay. Them to you. Mankasan, I'm sorry, because if I should sit there, I think that by now no better than me. Because it was total nonsense. Parents were talking and talking. I was telling one parent, say, have you seen bapa? More the more education we can pay. And what about your few crossing on your school was our school? No? How are you going to manage with it? Because say calculating a bomber Achimota obedient the brem is 7,352. Achimota feeding, water bill and light bill. Now we are coming to pay water bill and light bill for our children in school.
Near high school.
Yes. Yeba. And no, have you seen any NDC in India babbage now? I can say, hey, this is what is going on. I want to me Becca because they are former. They thought it was easy, or they thought it was a joke. Okay, so you're resetting. What were you people thinking? Now you people can pay. Good. Oh, on Kolami and San. Oh, on Kola 4. I was secondary school. Baku was JSS 2. Baku was JSS 3. Baku you are paying 700 and something. How can you pay? Say and get one about if you're not paying any we are to ask. Is that what you people want? Yeah, hospitals, any school, we Akufo-Addo AC. Someone they be and now they thought say it was a joke. And now NDC time now. We your friend is saying Aguna Jama
Ghanaians, we take elections for a joke.
That is what I see. That is what I see. Because I've grown a day abroad body. Yes, say our standard will be in your friend is saying in the international level. You move here a brochure for greener pastures. You think that when there's almost sorry and almost year chronisa. Almost sorry and almost year chronisa. It took them said they will try to make it. But we Ghanaians no the any money you kotokum. Oh, you bema dokron entinam. Yeah, no be so dollar beba 4 cedi. And who told you we are marching forward, we are not marching backwards? And the dollar you're saying. And the dollar, you're saying. They increase in prices. There is increasing. Oh, can almost say Akufo-Addo buying an armor in your boyading. Or by Okaso becha e-levy in your menim no. What for that or implementing e-levy? Say you go outside the country, you pay taxes, and in your own country you don't want to pay taxes. Anka tax no brony no tax and you don't know this is in mind. Now more you people don't want to use the tax to but your friend say mumaya. You the same people you sit there and talk about it. Baby are free. Dear Beya mama, approach when your children go to school, ask them they pay for feeding fee. Akufo-Addo say muntuashe and also so amompe. I don't know where may hit it from in Drabesin and
Omobetua intimate sure say omope.
I think that's what they want. Omumpa anka koto aba entia your friend say may say obi NDC ni on platform no number check the policies of your friend is saying Mahama. What mention me the policies of Mahama? No fan to her. No be na so yan fire the end to her. Ni yan shed the obey. Unim say your friend is say Baumia ye say anka a time will come. Uwa uba ye bit yaneka. And
Really?
one of the policies nim. Sa credit score way no. You people, how did you people understand about it? Well, me blame you me blame a communication team so if anka this information were to be spreading along all the 16 regions anka money sir. Sometimes some of we the parents yet not near yeah. Where are you starting from? I quite say yes, son, we are not going to start again. What is going on? Aya will be shene busuye mu baby or free. What benefited from the sick FSHS no? Nebo de rocho say ebeboa. Obi bien na no kasa who school now. What are you going to do? Me person me bisa factories na ekufa do building ya no. Who school amu to be ko ye adwuma wo ho. And started something to put the money down. And now school no ma mu ko free no. O se mo boys kana no mo fa eno nye de ento ankwala ne so. Ubako school na when see the no tifia as a parent one no be the thing was so but bisa say mo be na de boa oba no we parents no so ye ka ho bi aya let's spread the good information enjoy propaganda no we say enjoy propaganda then you looking the best for the future of our children and then ebia in the next 40 years we will not be alive ebia na your children be benefit to me those suppose to or some encourage to me say yes you choose a good government. Yeah, what kind of propaganda and no mood this and away yes say prove it and let's see. Mu green book amu yeah aguna jama say they could foresee yeah KG and amuko China mu ko ye green book. My auntie is a witness to also Jana mu be try obe China nka mu China be no so no pamacho onye ndisi ni. Muko chicha uncompleted buildings near there. Mahama, and you saw no or they see you, so do this you, and would no musi, your coca Bank of your first Bank of Ghana Hospital. It is a franchise, and you no see more monkano credit tremo. Mumkano credit tremo. Do you know it's Sika, your friend is the Anglo good, and Yema or mine? Ghana military, eco peacekeeping, who him scare the bread or mine. You people sit there and talk anyhow. Me let me read the comments. Obi Bejan say how many hospitals they Kufado are building? Akontombra Hospital, Bekwai Hospital, Boligatanga Hospital, Abomosu, Chedie. First you in since